Hello. So I was unable or I cannot change anything in the sandbox because there is nothing to do in our package components. We need to actually do some modification in the code that is built in the sandbox. So there is two major components that is in the sandbox. One is update contact consent MDE. So this is the component that open when we click on the action update consent, and other one is contact consent signature full screen MDE, where we redirect when user click on signature or something like that. So these two components are there in the sandbox. I just created a similar version in our patch, or the patch is 3.132. This is the version that is installed in the client's org. So I just created that code. So there is nothing to change. I just copied and created a component as a just testing component in our patch org to test how it looks. So let me show you. So I just first I created the version of code is the consent signature full screen MDE, the component is that use our component to sign. So I just created that one to test, and the button is test main. So if we click on test main, what it does, it redirect to the component using URL. So just like in the sandbox, we open the component using URL so that it open in full screen. That's good. But you see, it is working in desktop and it is working fine. But what happens when we open this one in our mobile version? So let's open Salesforce one. Yeah. So the you will see the issue. I think yeah. So this is the issue that's already there. So first thing I did is I fixed this issue. Okay. So what I did, I created a similar version but just a simple fix, and created another button called text fix. Text fix is similar to test main, but a small change that fix the layout. So you see, this is similar, both are same in desktop, but when we come to the like Salesforce 1 version or mobile version, uh, what is changed? Yeah, you see, it's now looking normal. But this is the issue that we talked about, like when we sign it is going up and down, and sometimes it refresh. So that's not good. Okay. But the reason because this is happening because we open the component by redirecting it to an URL. So that's fine in desktop, but we don't need to do this in our mobile, in case of mobile, because in mobile it already looking full screen either we redirect or not. So I created a alternative solution. So two things we have to do, two small things. uh, the one major thing is the component that is used on the update consent action, which open, and then on clicking the signature button it redirect to the second component. What we need to do is, when it is in desktop, it should work just like it's working now. But if it is in mobile, we can do one simple thing. Let me show you. So right now this is something how it working. So one component is open right now. After clicking the action is alternate test. So I click on alternate test, and you auto open a pop-up just like our sandbox version, and there is a e-signature or something like that. There is a button. After clicking it, it redirect to a new screen just like this, and there we sign. So this works in mobile, in the desktop fine. But what happens, this is happening in the mobile version as well. When we test it in mobile, it works same, but I change a little bit. So what I changed, it's something like this. Let me show you, and that will fix the issue, because uh, in mobile we should not redirect to the component using URL, because somehow it does not work with that. And now you see, I just changed something, and now you will see this will not fluctuate and it is constant. It's not reloading the screen. You see, there is nothing to reload and it's fixed. This is good. Now yeah, I think it took me a while to understand, but I'm not sure why it happened when we test the the component. When we write using URL, it does not work in Salesforce 1, so that's the problem. But I think we can do this small change and it will work pretty fine. So uh, what I did is this. I think we have done the same thing in this sandbox and in this project, but in different situation maybe. So when if we click on e-signature, I check if it is desktop, then just redirect to the MD full screen component and user will sign there. But if it is mobile, what I will do, hide everything that is right here in this component and just call or open another component on this component, so there is no redirection or there is no navigation, and that way the Salesforce one works fine. Let me know about it and I can make the changes in the sandbox, or you can make the changes in the sandbox, because there are 2 3 lines of code that I just modified. So here is the fixed component, this is the fixed component. You see, this is the component that is in the sandbox. So here you see it says this is our package component which is called on this component, and